Quick update on the Grant. Brakes and cooling systems in. We've just got to put some bits on the back of the radiator just to finish it off before we start putting the rear deck on. Otherwise we're only going to have to go back in again. And there's our next one, almost ready. Just needs a good jet wash out before she goes in the workshop. Radiator cowling, just so that when we get the fan on here, she's pulling back through the radiator and not recirculating around the radiator into the engine bay. That goes in under there. This is where it's whether it's going to work or not. Where's the bolts? Oh, now I need to get in here. Fit. Does that look good, Del?
Looks pucker, mate, that does.
We've got about 10mm bolts sticking either side with plumber in.
Bolting down here, look.
Up a bit, Del. Bring it forwards. Yeah. Go down a bit, actually. Right.
Fucking me fat arse up.
Get that over there. Right. Back out slowly, see if she stays there.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. Even the holes line up.
I reckon I'll put on one professional.
Oh, there you go, that looks good.
Where are we off to then, Mick?
We're going to see John Allison, who's got a Ram tank that we built for him a long time ago, and he's got a transmission with possibly some brakes inside, and the brakes will fit our Grant. So we're going to go up there, have a look at his tank, and rip an old transmission to pieces.
Done well.
Hard to say, isn't it? Well, there it is, a knackered Ram transmission. We was hoping to get the brakes out, but as you can see, the brakes are in a pretty poor state, so we're going to have to try elsewhere, I reckon. It's knackered. We've beat it too many times.
Couldn't offer too much, innit?
Like I say, they don't look too bad when you first look at them. But they are smashed to pieces on the front where the round's gone through it. Well, this is the bit we want. Just there. Probably seen this in a couple of our other videos. It's a Ram, but it's got a transmission off an M31. Well, there's the hook off, and these are the brakes bands that we've tried to save. We might actually get a couple out of there. We'll see how we go. We've bought this old shot to pieces transmission. We managed to save one set out on this side that were in really good condition actually. This side have been blown to pieces, and then we found another transmission also blown to pieces, the one at John Allison's. And out of all the bits, we might have made one set up. Got a few bits to fix in these ones, but they're not too bad. They're not bent and twisted. Like this one here looks really good, but she's got a twist in her. And that's the set we took out the other side, which is really good. They've still got good shoes on and everything. So hopefully we'll get some welding done on these ones and get them relined. What's it look like then?
Dog shit.
It's straightening up.
No bullet hole in it anymore.
No. Cool. Update on the Stuart. Look at that. Gearbox and prop jar cover. You're safe, Del.
Safe as houses now. Let's get it out and rag it.
There you go. All done. Nice and flat, so no gaps anywhere. All the bullet holes have been welded up. Warren's done his magic. Just got to send them off, get them relined. Well, that's it for this one. Cheers.